Hello children, in the last lecture we started the topic diffusion and osmosis. Children, diffusion is a process in which movement of gases from higher concentration to lower concentration, whereas osmosis is a process where movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now in this children, osmosis process can be possible in three solutions. The name of that three solution is hypotonic solution, isotonic solution and hypertonic solution. But children, first we'll study that what is hypotonic solution children. Children, before we studied about hypotonic solution, what is solution? Solution means what children? Solution means solute plus solvent is known as the solution. I repeat again, what is solution children? Solute plus solvent equals to solution. Solute or solvent are the part of the solution where dissolved in the matter, the substance which dissolved in the matter in any solution is called solute, while liquid that dissolves the another liquid or solid or gas, it is known as the solvent, and these two substances mixed together is known as the solution. Now children, for example, take a half glass of water, add a pinch of salt in it. Now here we'll say salt is a solute, water is a solvent. You mix it, you stir it and mix it, we'll get a salty solution, we'll call it as a solution. So solute always in a small amount, solvent in a large amount, together mix when called as the solution. Now as I said that osmosis process, movement of water can be possible by three ways. Okay, now children, now what is hypotonic solution? Now children, what is hypotonic? If the medium surrounding the cell has higher water concentration than the cell, meaning that outside solution is very dilute, the cell will gain water by osmosis, and such solution is known as the hypertonic solution. A simple way children, I'll just give an example. Raisin, you know the raisin, kishmish. Okay, now take 2-3 raisins, okay, and take one beaker or bowl, add few 15, 20, 25 ml of water in it and put a raisin in it. Okay, when you put a raisins in it, what will happen? After few minutes you will see that raisins have absorbed the water and it will swell up. Okay, swollen up, or we can say swell up. So why it has swollen up? Because it absorbs. So movement of water from outside, from surrounding, it goes inside. Children, here we can say that movement of water from higher concentration to the lower concentration, because the raisins is always in the shrink form. Okay, when you put raisins in the bowl, what will happen? After a few minutes you will see that it has swollen up. So why did it has swollen up? Because outside surrounding water is more, and then from outside it moves to inside. In raisin there was not much water, so the movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration, and here after few minutes or few hours you will see that the raisins has swollen up. So this type of solution is known as the hypotonic solution. I repeat again, even children, example of plant cell or animal cell, if you put the plant cell into the water and after few minutes you will see that the plant cell where it has swollen up, whatever, even animal cell, whatever the cell organelles are there, it will be swollen up. Why? Because it has absorbed, it has gained the water from surrounding, from outside. So move outside, there is more water children. So movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration, this solution is known as the hypotonic solution. Now children, isotonic solution. Isotonic solution means now you remain our raisins has already swollen up. Now you remain in a beaker or in a bowl only. What will happen? After some time you will see that the raisins are swollen up and now there is no change. Thus raisin will be remain, the outside and inside the concentration of water will be, the net movement of water will be same. There is no movement of water across the cell membrane, no gaining, no losing, and such type of solution is known as the isotonic solution. I repeat again, what is hypotonic solution, children? When you put the resin into the water, you will find that resin has swollen up, because in the water is more outside, right? So movement from outside the water goes to the inside. So here we can say movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration, and the resin will be swollen up. So this type of solution is known as the hypotonic solution. Children, outside surrounding the water is there, we can say that is dilute. The water is there, it is dilute. Okay. The second, as the isotonic solution, as the resins has swollen up, keep it like this. There is no change. After some time you will see there is no change, there is no losing, no gaining of water. The resin will remain as in the water. Such type of solution is known as the isotonic solution. Now children, next is hypertonic solution. Now what we do, children, now in the water you add a pinch of salt or sugar, okay, and make the water concentrated solution. Now here we'll make a water will consider as a concentrated solution. I repeat again, children, now in the bowl the water is there, now add a pinch of salt or sugar. As you add sugar or salt, now we will consider as a concentrated water. Now the resin is there already in there. Now after a few hours you will see that the resin was already the swollen up resin now loses the water, and now the resin becomes shrink. Now it has become shrink, because now inside the resin the concentration of water is more, and outside water is there, but that is not the dilute. Now that is a concentrated solution is there. Why that water is a concentrated? Because we have added salt or sugar in it. So we can say that is not the higher concentration water. We will not say that is a higher concentration water. So here we can say inside the resin the water is more, outside the resin water proportion is less. Why water proportion is less? Because salt and water we have added. So after a few hours you will see that resin has lose the water, and again it becomes shrink. So again here we say that movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration, and here we will say that the cell or the plant cell, animal cell, or the resin will become shrink, and this solution is known as the hypertonic solution. In hypotonic solution, children, the cells become swollen up. In isotonic solution, children, there is no net movement, it would be same. And in hypertonic solution, children, the cell becomes shrink. This type of solution is known as the hypertonic solution. I hope, children, you all have understood. If any doubt, please clear your query. Thank you.